Okay, next. Three dart players threw simultaneously at a tic-tac-toe board, each hitting a different square. What is the probability that the three hits constituted a win at tic-tac-toe? Okay. So in this problem, if you would be familiar with the game tic-tac-toe, di ba ganito yun? Okay. So as you can see, we have here actually nine squares no na pwede nating matamaan nung three dart player. So let's say ganito, dito tumama yung isa, dito tumama yung isa, tapos dito yung isa, no? So pwedeng ganyan, no? Pwedeng ganito. Tumama dito, dito, and then dito. Okay? So now, ang tanong niya, ano daw yung probability na yung tatlong dart no ay makakabuo ng panalo sa isang tic-tac-toe game. So, what do we mean by win? No? Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? So, di ba, para mananalo dito, kailangan um, pwede na lahat ng darts ay tatama in a horizontal line. No? Pwedeng ganito. So, that is a win. Okay? Another example would be ganito. Okay, so that is also another win. So basically ano, no, lahat ng horizontal line na pattern will constitute to a win, no? So and kung bibilangin mo, you have three. Okay? So bilangin na lang natin yung possible win, no? Or number of events na mananalo. Okay? So we have three rows. Okay? So one, two, three. Pwede rin naman yung ganito. Ganyan, no? So, or nandito or nandito. So, we also have three possibilities sa column. So, pwedeng vertically, pantay sila. So, we also have three columns. Okay? And then, ano pa ba? Di ba pwede rin namang manalo kapag ganito naman? Okay? So, that would be diagonal. No? So, pwedeng diagonal. So, actually, dalawa yan. Pwedeng pag ganitong diagonal, pwede rin naman na ganitong baliktad. Okay? So, actually, we have here two diagonals. Okay, so meaning the number of outcomes that will result to a win would be 3 plus 3 plus 2. That would give us 8. No? So we have 8 possible outcomes no, that will constitute to a win. Pero ang tinatanong niya, ano yung probability? No? So meaning, ang probability natin is dapat yung number of desired events, which is ang desired event natin is manalo, divided by the number of total outcomes. No? Total. So, ibig sabihin lahat, kunyari, syempre bibilangin din natin paano kapag ganito yung tama. Ayan, so isang outcome yan, no? And then, and so on. So basically, paano natin malalaman yung total outcomes na yun? Okay? Well, simple lang. Because we have nine squares, and every time they threw the three darts, no, parang ang lumalabas, we are choosing three square out of the nine. So in order for us to count the total number of outcomes, that should be 9 combination of 3. Okay? Kasi gusto nating mabilang gaano kadami yung lahat ng combination na tigtatatlo out of 9 na pagpipilian. So yung 9 na pagpipilian ay ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At ang kailangan mo lang kunin is tatlo palagi. So pwedeng itong tatlong to, pwede kaya itong tatlong to, pwede kaya itong tatlong to, and so on. So basically, this is how we count all of those. All right, and from there, we can now calculate our probability. That is 8 over 9 combination of 3, and that should give us 8 over 9 combination of 3. Okay, and that gives us 2 over 21. And that would be our answer. Okay, and that is letter C. And that's how we solve this particular problem.